Okay, so if you're using the remote access application, I'm going to show you how to download databases and how to save them. So what you do is you go to all the resources so you've you've logged into the remote access website, you go to all resources and you open up Google Chrome, allow that. And when you've logged in, you'll see that the Google Chrome tab that opens up is exactly the same as if you were in college. So if you did what we asked you to in induction, you set up your bookmarks, you'll find a link to the study directory. If you didn't, you can go into the study directory via Crystal Web. But I have got a link, so I'm just going to go straight to study directory. And I'm going to go down here to first year units, and I'm going to select Unit 2 databases. Okay, so the majority of the databases you're going to use during the first part of the course will be held on the study directory. So when you get into the databases section, you'll find a window which is Google Drive. And what you do is you go here to the Open Google Drive folder icon, and you click on that and it opens Google Drive up for you. So the one that we're going to use for today's activity is called Spelling Test, and it's in a folder called Spelling Test. So we open up the folder where the database is, and here's the database. It's called Spelling Test version 1 ACCDB, and that's an Access Database file type. So you're just going to right click on that and you're going to download it. You may get an error message and you can't see it very easily on my screen, but it does say there's a warning. Don't worry about that. Just say keep if you get that message, and then you should be able to see that has been downloaded. So we're going to go back to the All Resources tab and we're going to go into Mapped Drives. So hopefully that database has been downloaded. So let's have a look in my Downloads folder. And there it is, Spelling Test version 1. You can see I've done this a couple of times. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to move that into the folder that I set up for my Unit 2 databases. So I'm just going to drag that into my U drive. And if you remember, the U drive is where all your user files are. So it's been dragged in there now. And I'm just going to drag it into my Unit 2 folder. You won't have as many folders and stuff as me, so this will be a lot easier for you. Okay, so I'm into my BTEC IT folder and then into my Unit 2 databases folder. And because we're going to be really organised throughout the whole of Unit 2, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a new folder just for this spelling test database. So you're going to pop it inside spelling test. So now we've got your U drive, BTEC IT, Unit 2 databases, spelling test, and you'll find that your database is there nice and safe and sound. So you can see in this address bar the address to it. So you'll be asked to take a screenshot showing that that's been saved in the correct place, and it is inside your Unit 2 databases folder in its own folder. So that's what you'll be asked to do, and that's about it for this one.